Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Indian Pharma Guide. Today's topic congestive heart failure and the drugs that are used to treat congestive heart failure. Introduction. Heart failure is a complex progressive disorder in which heart is unable to pump sufficient blood to needs of the body. It doesn't need that the heart has stopped working, rather it needs that the heart pumping power is weaker than normal. In heart failure, blood moves through the heart and the body at slower rate and pressure in the heart increases. As a result, the heart cannot pump oxygen and nutrients to body needs. Causes of heart failure. Heart failure caused by many conditions that damage the heart muscle. One is coronary artery disease. It is a disease of the arteries that supply blood and oxygen to the heart, causes decreased blood flow to the heart muscle. Second one, heart attack. It occurs when coronary arteries suddenly block. Third one, cardiomyopathy. It occurs due to damage to the heart muscle. Symptoms of heart failure. Shortness of breath, weakness, swelling in legs, ankles and feet, rapid or irregular heartbeat, reduced ability to exercise, increased need to urinate at night. Types of heart failure. There are two types of heart failure here: systolic dysfunction, diastolic dysfunction. In systolic dysfunction, it occurs when heart muscle does not contact with enough force, so there is less oxygen rich blood that is pumped throughout the body. In diastolic dysfunction, it occurs when the heart contracts normally that ventriculus do not relax properly, hence less blood enters the heart during normal filling. Role of compensatory mechanisms. In heart failure, the cardiac output is reduced and the blood pressure is raised. It leads to chronic activation of the sympathetic nervous system, and the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone axis is associated with the remodeling of the cardiac tissue characterized by loss of myocyster hypertrophy and fibrosis. And the geometry of the heart becomes less elliptical and more spherical, interfering with its ability to function as a pump. This promotes additional neurohumoral activation. If left untreated or it is not a treated condition, leads to death. Classification of drugs for congestive heart failure. First class inotropic agents. Example: digoxin, digitoxin, dobutamine, strophanthin. Second class AC inhibitors. Example: captopril, enalapril, lisinopril, ramipril. Third class angiotensin II blockers. Example: telmisartan, losartan, valsartan, candesartan. Fourth class beta adrenergic blockers. Example: propranolol, atenolol, esmolol, metoprolol. Fifth class diuretics. Example: hydrochlorothiazide, chlorothiazide, furosemide. Sixth class vasodilators. Example: hydralazine, sodium nitroprusside, nitroglycerin. Mechanism of action for cardiac glycosides. Regulation of systolic calcium concentration. By inhibiting the sodium or potassium adenosine triphosphate enzyme, digoxin reduces the ability of the myocyte to actively pump sodium from the cells. This decreases the sodium concentration gradient and consequently the ability of the sodium or calcium exchanger to move calcium out of the cells. When sodium and potassium ATPase is markedly inhibited by digoxin, the resting membrane potential may increases. Digoxin. Mechanism of action for digoxin. Digoxin increases the force of concentration of the muscle of the heart by inhibiting the activity of an enzyme that controls movement of calcium, sodium and potassium into heart muscle. Calcium controls the force of contraction. Pharmacokinetics for digoxin. About 70 to 80% of an oral dose of digoxin is absorbed, mainly in the proximal part of the small intestine. The degree of binding to serum albumin is 20 to 30%. Digoxin is extensively distributed in the tissues as reflected by the large volume of distribution. Indications of use for digoxin. Digoxin is used to treat heart failure, usually along with other medications. It is also used to treat certain types of irregular heartbeat. Treating heart failure may help maintain ability to walk and exercise and may improve the strength of heart. Adverse drug reactions. Digoxin has numerous and multifarious side effects. The most dangerous are severe ventricular arrhythmias that may be accompanied by a complete atrioventricular block. Frequent side effects are the loss of appetite, nausea, an upset stomach, bradycardia, and ventricular extrasystole. I have already discussed about this remaining classification of drugs detailed in my previous video. Link provided in description box. Please check it. And that's all about the congestive heart failure and drugs that are used to treat congestive heart failure. Please subscribe our channel for more interesting videos related to pharmacy.